So where the tap starts should be as far as you're allowed to go.
Yeah. Seriously, you guys are going too far out.
And like that path is as far as you're allowed to go that way. And then in here you can go up to the hill.
I say if we just stay to the right, if we do it right
no, man. Like, what is that thing doing all the way up?
Yeah, you guys too far out. I'm staying low and in the field.
You need to be right here.
Right here's the sun.
Impossible. Impossible.
I don't want to be that far out.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
If I hit somebody, it's just a miracle. I got no skill in that area. I have a hard enough keeping track of my planes just by myself.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Alright, hand launching.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Last time I flew anything with a 2200 on here, it took about half an hour to charge you. Is that still what they're about down to, or they set the C rate on you to actually charge them quicker?
Thermals.
I can tell this plane used to be fast, but I downgraded it because I have the other one now.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, you, Lenny.
Yep.
One minute.
Oh, that thing sounds sweet. That didn't sound good.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Time
Who was that?
I was looking at it coming this way. I was kind of getting ready to step back, so I cut the throttle and put it right out. I got it done.
I can't hit someone.
There's good. I see you.
I'm going after the orange one.
Is it combat? Is it
Yes.
Yeah, hit.
canopy? Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, you don't have the indestructible plane key on.
I do. I got a big tip on my front.
We're getting close.
I got a
Oh yeah,
one-
you've got that pop.
Oh, I mean,
Where's your little scrambler?
I have it, but I don't fly that one in this. It's too fragile.
come on. Go faster.
Ah! Come on!
Buddy. And
Hit him.
completely missed Joe. Come on, faster. Oh, good.
1 minute over.
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Oh! I'm flying around him.
One. Oh, wow.
I just don't want to hit him over there because I don't want to walk out there to get it. All right, so there he is. Come back over here.
Yeah, I didn't think it was going to be as challenging as to get all my stuff ready and get ready.
We're all pretty close.
I know, okay, I'm just going to slow down.
That's the thing. You got to slow down and just cruise.
What are you trying to hit, Ray?
I don't know.
Get the orange one.
I can't.
Oh, God. You're all over the place, man.
My plan. I'm paying attention to his plan.
Alright, you got him.
Whoa! That was close. Oh,
Ready? Oh, come on. I have no idea how much flight time I get, but I think I get a lot.
What are you flying on 2S?
Two cell 2000.
Oh,
I'm just gonna.
guys, we've gotten pretty close.
Somebody hit me. I'm just gonna.
Whoa! That was almost a hit. Ah!
Don't hit me. Come on. Oh, wow.
That thing's pretty maneuverable, man.
Oh, yeah.
player 4.
It's just because I like it on high rate, or I have it on a really high rate because I like touching the
Right, do a touch and go.
I can't. I'll destroy the prop on it.
Oh!
Go! Oh!
How is this like happening?
I keep seeing shadows, so I know you're close.
Yeah, but when you want to hit, you don't hit. But when you don't,
If we really want to hit each other, we'd stay within like 100 feet of where we are.
2 minutes over.
Oh, I'm dead. I gotta come in. Don't take me out as I'm landing. Yeah, battery is gone. Yep. Never seen Battlewing before?
So fun.
Oh, we were so close. I kept seeing shadows.
Yeah, no, you're
Yeah.
right there.